Welcome back, Cloud Cadets. In this mission, we will deploy this locally developed function app to our Azure. We will deploy it there, so this will be not only accessible locally for us, but to all of our friends and family, because we've done something fantastic. Let's close these tabs. Let's go back to the resource group. So from the briefing, we have our function app here. And right now it's empty and boring. We don't need to do anything from here. There are different ways of deploying to Azure, but as we're learning, we'll keep it simple. We'll deploy it from Visual Studio. And eventually we'll see the other versions as well. So what we can do here is that we can right click on this function app here. We can click this publish button. And it says, where are you publishing today? We're deploying it to Azure, so Azure. And you see here we have different choices. Now in our case we chose Linux, so we'll stick to Linux because cheaper. Yeah, that's what dictates and runs the world, money. And here you might have had to log into your Azure account. Now what we see here, we see our resource group. And now we see why it's important to have responsible names. Makes our lives easier than just doing this. Well, call it whatever. We see automatically the dash RG, it's a resource group. We open it up and we see our perfectly named function app. So creative. Could have been different kinds. So there we know it. Click on that, finish. We wait for it to create a profile. And done. Once that's done, we have a button here called Publish. We'll click on that. It will build and archive our project into a zip, send it up to Azure, and let it take care of all the magic. In the meantime, we can ask our other personalities how their day is doing, because even they need love. But this shouldn't take that long. And we see deployment succeeded, and it restarted our function app. Let's go back. Let's click this refresh. Bam, there we have it. Chuck Norris API function. Let's click on it. Now we could test and run it locally, but that's not interesting. We want a function URL so we can share it to our people. Let's click it here, copy the default, enter. 9/11 happened because the Taliban are too spineless to attack Chuck Norris head on. That's hard to disagree with. Now there we have it, people. This has now been deployed through Visual Studio. And as we mentioned, we could have had many more functions. We go back here, and there we have it. On the next episode of whatever this is, we'll do this through VS Code. Until next time, Cloud Cadets.